Israeli police open Al-Aqsa doors after brief shutdown. Israeli President asks Netanyahu to form government. Hamas agrees on Palestine factions reconciliation move. Turkish President call New York visit fruitful. Turkey strong earthquake shakes Istanbul. Erdogan backs Iran amid global blame for Saudi attacks. Iran rejects negotiations under US sanctions. Rouhani. Turkey offers safe zone for 3 million Syrians. Yemeni government designates Atak city new interim capital. International Halal Fair kicks off in Bosnian capital. India ruling BJP seeks detention of illegal migrants. Indian women group alleges 13,000 arrested in Kashmir.